this one go down real quick? Nice. So what's your name and what's in here, man?
My name is Dante. Those are two ZV615 dual ones and a 16 cube box, I believe, after displacement, about 18 net, all on an 8K at 1 ohm.
Okay. So who built the box?
A guy named Jared at 17 Audio down in Chester.
Okay.
And then I had a previous box built by Memphis, Houston, with Team Reckless. Or I think he's on Team Ruckus now.
All right. Nice. And you got your back seats that can kind of close right over the subs. Don't hit them.
Yep. Just they barely fit like a glove.
All right. Are you planning to close in or the side of the wall, or are you keeping it no wall style? Seal it.
I plan on sealing it,
Okay.
but in order to get to the show today,
Oh no, I was just asking. Yeah. It's always a work in progress. That's the base life.
for sure.
Yeah, man.
Alright, is she gonna shut my door? Just let me shut my door.
Yeah, go for it, man. He's going to shut the back hatch. Be sure to give him a like. We're about to get a great demo. Sundown Audio Show. I like the box. Whoever built it did a good job.
Thank you. Yeah, we built it yesterday, got it painted, got it cut, disassembled it, threw it in the truck, and shoot, we were
So
up
you're
to
saying you got this sucker done right before the show? Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
I actually just pulled up to the show like 30 minutes ago.
Okay. Yep. And your battery bank and everything, the alternator power, what is all that?
Dual alternators up front, 350 amp brand X,
Okay.
45 amp hour C-Max bank built by Richie at Vibration Audio, and then solid 8K, DS18, 3K on the tweeters, and then DV audio on the mids.
All right. Awesome.
But stock door speakers, stock Bose.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been meaning to catch, but I've never really had a setup like this before.
That's all good, dude. I like all systems, from single subs to big walls, so it's all fun. What vehicle is this?
2007 Chevy Tahoe.
Chevy Tahoe. Okay. Sweet. Can I see under the hood real quick? Nice. You helped him build it? All right, nice job. Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. switches a little bit?
A little bit.
Yeah. Awesome. I
Oh,
appreciate the demo, man.
Yeah, dig it.
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you.
You too. Yeah, I've been meaning to catch, but I've never really had a setup like this before.
That's all good, dude. I like all systems, from single subs to big walls, so it's all fun. What vehicle is this?
2007 Chevy Tahoe.
Chevy Tahoe. Okay. Sweet. Hey, have a good day, man.
You too, man.